I, Anurag Mishra, want to talk about a topic that's close to my heart: afforestation or saving trees. Trees are an essential part of our environment and they are playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of our planet. Unfortunately, we are losing our trees at an alarming rate due to deforestation, urbanization, and industrialization. It's a high time we realize the importance of trees and take necessary steps to save them. Let's start with the basic. Why are trees are so important? Trees are the lungs of our planet. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for human survival. They also provide habitat for various animals and birds, prevent soil erosion, and regulate the water cycle. Trees also have medicinal properties, and many of our medicines are derived from plant sources. However, despite the numerous benefits of the trees, we are cutting them down at an unprecedented rate. Deforestation is one of the biggest environmental challenges we face today. Trees are being cut down to make way for agriculture, mining, and urbanization. Forest fires, illegal logging, and climate change are also contributing to the loss of the trees. So, what we can do to save our trees? The answer is simple: afforestation. Afforestation is simple planting trees in areas where there were no trees before. It is one of the most effective ways to combat deforestation and mitigate climate change. Here are some reasons why afforestation is important. First one, carbon sequestration. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in their biomass. Afforestation can help reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and mitigate climate change. Second, biodiversity conservation. Afforestation can help create new habitats for various animals and birds. It can also help restore degraded ecosystem and prevent soil erosion. Third one, water conservation. Trees play a crucial role in regulating the water cycle. Afforestation can help improve water quality and reduce the risk of floods and drought. Fourth, economic benefit. Afforestation can provide various economic benefits such as timber, non-timber forest product, and ecotourism. Now that we know the importance of afforestation, let's discuss how we can contribute to it. Here are some ways in which we can save trees. First, plant trees. The most obvious way to save trees is to plant more of them. You can start by planting trees in your backyard, community, or school. You can also volunteer for afforestation programs run by the NGOs and government agencies. Second, reduce paper uses. We use a lot of paper in our daily lives and most of it comes from the trees. You can reduce paper using by going digital and using e-books, e-tickets, and e-bills. Third, use recycled products. Many products such as paper, furniture, and building materials can be made from the recycled wood. By using recycling products, we can reduce the demand for new wood. Fourth, support sustainable forestry. When buying wood products, look for certifications such as Forest Stewards Council (FSC) or Program for Endorsement of the Forest Certificate. These certificates ensure that the wood comes from the sustainably managed forest. Fifth one, spread awareness. Spread awareness about the importance of afforestation and the need to save trees. You can do it by organize events, workshops, and social media campaigns. In conclusion, afforestation is the need of the hour and we all need to contribute to it. Saving trees is not just an environmental issue, it's a social and economical issue as well. By saving trees, we can ensure a better future for ourselves and future generations. So let's take a place today to plant more trees, reduce paper uses, use recycled product, support sustainable forestry, spread awareness about the forestation.